Assalamu alaikum. This is Aamer on Alyzaee. Now we are coming to the last lecture of 7th chapter, and this is stream 6, in which we will be discussing least cost combinations and isocount curves and isocount lines. Least cost combination में least cost combination principle क्या कहता है कि the rational firm would combine the various factors of its production function in such a way that the minimum input and maximum output is obtained at a minimum cost. ये production function जो है वो उसको ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन की आउटपुट को ले सकता है, मिनिमम इनपुट से ज़्यादा आउटपुट हासिल कर सकता है, जबकि उसकी कॉस्ट जो है वो भी महदूद होगी. So such a combination is referred to as the least cost combination. Now, what is least cost combination? Least cost combination states that is the optimum combination of factors of production at which a factory owner has to pay minimum cost of producing a certain quantity of output. So there are two concepts in consideration. One is isocount curve and the other is isocount line. So what are isocount curve? It represents all the factors inputs which yield a given quantity of product. A product map, a family or a group of equal product curve is called an iso product map. So there are three alternatives: spend all its finance on capital, spends all its finance on labor, and the third one is partly on capital, partly on labor. The assumption of least cost combination, there are two factors of production, one is labor and the other is capital. So all units of labor and capital are known. The prices of unit of labor and capital are given and constant, and the last one is the firm aims at profit maximization. So least cost combination may be stated as marginal productivity of labor divided by price of labor, whereas marginal product of capital, MPC, divided by PC. So where MPL is marginal productivity of labor, PL is price of labor, MPC is marginal productivity of capital, and PC is price of capital. So when we have known values, we will put in this equation, so we will get this calculated. इस स्लाइड में हम लोग isocount curve को ग्राफिकली प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ये हमारे पास A, B और C एक कर्व आ रहा है लेबर और कैपिटल को सामने रखते हुए, और B और Q1 दूसरा कर्व आ रहा है. सो कैपिटल ज़्यादा होगा तो लेबर कॉस्ट पे इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा उसका. isocount डज नॉट हैव इंटरसेक्ट. सो एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे नोट करने के लिए कि isocount में आपस में लाइंस एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करती. isocount lines. So as total outlay increases, the isocount line moves higher and higher away from the origin. The isocount lines are straight. So looking into the graphical representation of it, on y-axis we have capital, on the x-axis we have labor. When capital is at 3, so the laborer or the workers are at 6. The isocount total cost is $3,000. So when we will be moving ahead on having more capital and looking at number 6, so definitely we will be hiring more workers, more laborers. So the isocount total cost will be at $6,000, and same will go for the next line. So it means the capital increases the number of workers or laborers, and the line pushes from $3,000 to $6,000, $6,000 to $9,000, and this is how it is presented here. One point needs to be noted here, that the slope of isocount line represents price rate. So we come to an end of lecture 7. Now we will be starting lecture 8, and in this particular lecture we have discussed various types of cost curves, least cost combinations. So in upcoming lecture we will be discussing the revenue equilibrium, break-even points, and importance of managers. So stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.